down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me.
Hey guys, welcome here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I straighten my natural hair without getting any heat damage. The first thing I did was shampoo my hair. You want to wash your hair to get out any oils and stuff so your hair will not look greasy or weighed down. I use the It's a 10 shampoo. This is a brand I've had for a while and it just works really good when I want to straighten my hair. I also deep conditioned overnight with their Miracle Deep Conditioner. I knew I would need that extra moisture since I would be putting heat on my hair. And I also will be using their It's a 10 leave-in. It does 10 things for your hair and one of them is protecting your hair from heat damage. I'm just going to start off by detangling my hair with my shower comb. Let my hair marinate overnight and that deep conditioner made my hair so soft and manageable. I was able to just comb right through it and get things done, honey. Then I'm going to spray a good amount of my It's a 10 leave-in all over my hair, and make sure you get your ends really good because we really want to protect them from getting any heat damage. This leave-in also smells amazing and it makes your hair really soft and silky. You want to make sure you use products that's going to make your hair silky, so when blow drying and flat ironing your hair you get good results. And how these people out here thinking you went to a professional hairstylist, okay? Now I'm just using my Revlon blow dryer and I put the settings on high heat, and I'm just going to use my brush to kind of help straighten my hair out. I would suggest you use a blow dryer with the little combs on the ends because they help to get your hair more straighter and it will just help your hair to look more smooth and silky. But I just picked this one up from Walmart. It did the job, but it wasn't the best.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm finding it. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it.
So I'll be using my flat iron from Duval.com, and I have a 70% off coupon code for you guys if you would like my results and would like to try it out for yourself. So I'm going to be flat ironing my hair on the highest setting, which is 450 degrees. My hair is really thick and coarse, so that's the setting that's perfect for my hair type. But if your hair is much thinner and finer, you won't need your flat iron that high to get the same results, if that makes sense. I just parted my hair directly down the middle, and I'm just going to section off and put one side away.
Get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so.
So I'm parting off sections small enough to where when I flat iron my hair, I can just do one pass and not have to keep going over it too many times. And I'm going to be adding the L'Oreal heat protectant as well, just to make sure I'm 100% protected from getting any heat damage. So I just spray a small amount and work that in, not too much to where my hair is going to revert back or anything. And I'm going to be doing the chasing method with my brush. Damn, burnt my forehead. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing the chasing method with my hard bristle brush. It just makes your hair so much more smooth, and when you flat iron it, it can get so much more straight and silky. And as you can see, I did one pass and I don't even need to go over it again. It looks so bomb. Yeah, I'm just going to do the same steps, just part off a small enough section to where I can really, get my hair straight without going over it too many times. I detangle my hair with my small comb tooth, and then I just do the chase method. And the reason why I'm holding my brush this way instead of the actual way I'm supposed to be holding it, I feel like I can grip my hair much more with holding the bristles through my hair. So yeah.
Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh.
So the edges of my hair and the back of my hair that you see me messing with got much more silky than the middle of my hair, just because the middle of my hair is a much more coarser texture and more thick, so that's why it may not look like it's as silky once I'm starting to flat iron the middle of my head. But it did turn out really good. It only took me about 10 minutes to flat iron all of that hair. Like, it's never taken me that quick. Completely done with all of my hair. It took me literally like 25 to 30 minutes to complete my whole entire head. That flat iron was really good. I only did one pass. As you can see, my hair looks really full and bouncy and fluffy and silky and smooth, and you name it, it just looked bomb to me. So I'm just going to clip the very ends of my hair just to kind of dust my ends to make it look better.
I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little.
So as you can see, just dusting those little ends, the comparison of the right side to the left side, it just appears more healthy. It looks better. I wasn't trying to do like a real trim or anything, but yeah, just to make it look healthier. So now I'm just going to go over my hair with the flat iron and kind of put a little bit of a curl to it. Yeah, I'm going to bump my hair under, doing what we used to hate our moms to do. But yeah, I don't like my hair looking flat, so I'm just going to bump it under, and it's going to kind of put like a nice little curl to it, you know. So yeah.
Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up.
As you can see, the curl side just looks so much better. It has more body to it. It just looks more alive. Like, I mean, who wants some flat hair, you know? The other side is so flat and boring. But yeah, I mean, if you like your hair flat, that's totally fine too. But I just think that this looks better when you put a little bit of a bump to it.
You shouldn't wait, don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it.
So this is what my hair looks like once I got it all curled and everything, and I love it so much. It looks so good and healthy, and it got so straight just by doing one pass. But yeah, so I've been natural since 2014, and I've only ever flat ironed my hair 3 times. So as long as you're taking care of your hair when it's curly, when you straighten it, it should be strong enough and healthy enough to where you won't have to worry about any heat damage. So I didn't get too close to the edges of my hair since I had already burnt myself when I first started. So I'm just going to use this edge tamer just to kind of sleek down my edges even more. And then I'm just going to put my satin scarf on, tie it down, and let it sit while I do my makeup and stuff. So this is what your girl hair is looking like. I really love that edge control a lot. It isn't water based or anything, so it's great for laying down your edges when your hair is straightened. So of course, if you wanted your hair to lay even flatter and look even more silkier, you could wrap it down and put a satin scarf on and just leave that on for a couple of hours, and your hair would look, you know, even better. But I had somewhere to be this day, so I just, you know, left it out. And at nighttime, I just wrap it up and put my satin scarf on. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed me straightening my natural hair. I think it turned out so bomb. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye guys.
Just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it.